They're so busy having a sniff.
Oh, yeah, it's the way they communicate. I never seen so many white dogs all at once. It's White Dogville.
Yeah. Hello. Hello. Oh, well. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. Boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. What have you got, 2 boys?
Yeah, we're babysitting the hare. The one that's sniffing there, that's Q. And Baxter, that's mine. Mine and Sharon's.
I got 2 little girls.
2 girls?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, they went out on a date, these guys. Oh, Q is sure flirting.
That's it.
He's such a flirt. Oh, she pretty girl. You like her, Q? Huh?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see ya. Oh, she's coming to visit. Hi, how are you? I'm getting all tangled up. I'm going to end up on my face. Couple more laps, I'll be falling. Hi.
Cookies up there.
You think I got a cookie?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, you think I got a cookie? Oh, you want a cookie? Man, oh man. If I give you a cookie, you wouldn't be skinny and good looking no more. You got to think of your girlish figure. Okay. How about you want a cookie too? Well, you're a pretty girl. Oh yeah, you're a pretty girl. You like having your picture taken? Look at these gals. Huh? I don't have a cookie. I'm sorry. I wish I did. Bye. We'll see ya. Bye bye. I'm gonna be falling. I'm just gonna be falling. These dogs got me so tangled up. Here, I gotta get this down. Look at that. It's upside down, but look what they done to me here. Oh man. Okay, we'll see ya. Oh, what am I gonna do? I'm all tied up. What's going on here? Look at this. Boy, I tell you, I'm all tangled. What the heck? Oh, I still got 1 foot caught. Oh yeah, take another lap, Q. That's all I... Oh, you too, Baxter. I'll be here a while. We'll see ya. See you, girls. It's going to take a while. Come on, you guys. Give me a break here. There. Unbelievable.